Good afternoon. You know, the start of this, the scheduled start for today was 10 a.m. That was delayed for an hour while the judge and the attorneys met in closed session. Now, for the past hour, the judge has been giving the jurors their instructions in the law. Coming up within the hour, now the defense and prosecution will be making their closing arguments for this phase of the trial. The jury will be deliberating whether to find Robert Bowers eligible for the death penalty. The prosecution going first. The prosecution has to prove three issues. First, that Bowers was at least 18 years old at the time of the crimes, which is not in dispute. Second, that he acted with sufficient intent. And third, that there is at least one aggravating factor. Now, the prosecution has said there's no doubt that Bowers did it intentionally, methodically going room to room and killing, doing tactical reloads of ammunition. The prosecution has said that each action shows Bowers' intent. It's also noting the defendant's premeditation, including wiping data from his phone and setting up a software timer to erase his computer's hard drives as he left for the synagogue shooting. The prosecution telling jurors that defendant Robert Bowers acted with sufficient intent under the law to be eligible to be sentenced to death. Prosecution also argues that the aggravating factors required by the law are there. At the start of this phase, you may remember that victims' family members, the victims who were elderly and who had disabilities, testified to one aggravating factor, and that is the vulnerability of those victims. Now, the defense will do its closing after lunch. The defense will be pointing to testimony from its expert medical witnesses. The defense maintains that tests show that Bowers' brain is impaired, causing him to have psychotic, delusional beliefs and schizophrenia. The defense argues that Bowers did not act with a sufficient level of intent to warrant giving him the death penalty. Now, this jury has to decide this eligibility phase before separately considering whether to sentence him to death should they decide that he is eligible. So again, prosecution doing their closing for this phase now, a lunch break, the defense doing their closing, and then later this afternoon it's expected the jury will begin their deliberations for this phase. Reporting live outside Federal Courthouse in downtown Pittsburgh, Bob Mayo, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.